take a look at this. Defender 90 hardtop, 26 model year, 75 registration, done only 5,000 miles. It's a D250S. It's VAT qualifying. But look at it. Borasco Grey, full exterior styling kit, wide arches, canards, bonnet decals, black pack, pod lights, upgraded 22-inch wheels. From factory, it's got the jump seat, detachable towbar, and with it being a 26 model year, you then get the larger screen and new features, which I'll touch on in a second. But what will win you over instantly is the way that this car looks. For a commercial to look like that and then have all the financial benefits that they do is simply incredible. The wide arches and the canards and all of the kit has been done to the highest standard. You've even got the bonnet inserts, bonnet decals, side vents, 22-inch wheels in satin black. Just finished the car off very, very nicely. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps. I'll show you what the jump seat looks like in the seat position. If you want to put it down as an armrest, you can do that. Then you have extra cup holders and chargers. Even bigger media screen than you would have seen previously on the 26 model year. Obviously, then you have the same features as before. Navigation, media, 360 cameras. There's even a towing specific camera on this because it has a detachable tow bar from factory. Rear spoiler, full-size spare wheel cover, tinted rear lights, the tow bar which I've just mentioned. The good thing with the 90 commercials is, especially with one with jump seat, you've got 3 seats and carry 2 passengers plus a driver. Short wheelbase means you can drive it pretty much in any situation, but you then have a good cargo space with it being the commercial to carry whatever it is that you want to put in there. It might end up being actual work equipment, building materials, tools, or it might be a vehicle that you're buying a VAT registered name and use it purely for leisure activities. You might go fishing, camping, you might put a dog box in it, whatever it is, but you get to drive something like this that has all the financial benefits of a commercial. It's done just over 5,000 miles. Interior is what you'd expect condition-wise. Adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, digital display, media screen, again, mentioned that, heated seats. If I put the jump seat down, you'll be able to see it as the armrest. 2 cup holders, 2 USBs, 2 12-volt chargers, cameras I'll show you as well. Rear view, aerial view, 3D, even one that goes directly to the tow ball as well. So fantastic car this. Borasco Grey, full kit, registered on a 75 registration, so you still have 3 years of manufacturer's warranty, roadside assistance, the usual benefits you get with buying a new car. Just roll over onto this car. So if you've been waiting for us to get in a very special commercial, then this is your car. Defender 90 hardtop, going live today. Any questions about how you want to buy it, please be quick because I can guarantee it sells very, very fast. My name is Paddy and I look forward to speaking to you.